salitang environment.
Environment, nakakapagbigay siya sa atin ng food, medicines, nakakatulong din siya sa ecological stability, at nakakaroon din tayo ng cultural and aesthetic benefits. Yun ba?
Yes, sure.
Anong naiisip mo kapag narinig mo yung salitang degradation?
Whenever I hear the word degradation, the first word that comes out to my mind is that it is destroying one thing. You are exaggerating one thing rather than helping with the solution.